Alright, y'all. I'm gonna show you how to fix a Speed Queen commercial dryer that's making noise. Most bolts are 5/16. Once you take off the panel, you have 2 bolts on each side here. Grab this, tilt this up, drop it down. Now you have to be careful because there's a wiring harness right here. You just want to hold it. Just take note of how the wires come off. If you have to, take a picture. Alright, then we gotta get this piece off. Alright, you gotta do these very carefully. Just lay that down. Go ahead and take out the 2 whole top line. Alright, now that all that's free, take and grab this carefully. Alright, then there's a belt back here. You gotta reach in here like this to undo the belt. I'll show you. So, if you come in here, put the light on for y'all. This is your belt tensioner pulley. Your belt wraps around this, so you gotta undo the belt. Pull the belt off after you get it off the pulley. This wants to be a little difficult right there. There we go. See, we got the belt off. Now the whole thing's gonna come out. Alright, here we go. So you pick it up, grab it out the back. Alright, and the parts we need to change. Here, we're going to put a new pulley on it. Brand new factory certified parts. Alright, they have little lock rings on them, so you want your little lock ring pliers. Alright, y'all. So, if you look, you can see the 2 little holes. Boom. There's one done. Come back over here, grab you a new one. Alright. Take your lock ring, right back on there. Alright, we're gonna do it on this one. Oh, there's someone like to be stubborn. There we go. And this is actually the one that was making noise. If you look, the bearing's actually just shot. It comes straight out of the wheel. And even when you try to push it all the way down, you can see the damage to it there versus what it should look like. So, let's get new ones. See how smooth that is. Alright. Lock clips back on. Oh, it is snapping all the way. The back side's hanging out. You can tell by how far apart they are. go. Alright, this one's a little different. Alright, so now we gotta change this, and I'll be right back with you. You have a little spacer. Make sure you save that washer. Alright. So, you see how where that is? That's where the belt has cut into the wheel. That's what it should look like. Major difference. Alright, so new wheel, make over here, if you get the wheel on, the shaft, slide the washer under the shaft. Washer goes on after the wheel goes on. Then, take your lock ring, you slide it on. Alright, let's put it back together. Cool. Alright, so the easiest way to do this is line up the back, turn it slightly so it falls under the wheels. Alright, pick up the drum, tuck the belt back in. You'll pull the wheel towards the wall that way, take the belt, go over the wheel, or actually under the wheel, sorry, and then wrap it around the motor pulley. Alright, so this is what it should look like after it's done. Sorry y'all, I'm trying to get it where you can see the belt going over the pulley onto the motor. There we go. Alright, now let's finish her up. sorry, I almost got ahead of myself. I forgot to plug your wires back in. Alright. This one, you're gonna have to hold this with one hand and plug everything else in with the other hand. This 2-pin connector is not needed. Alright, then you take this, tilt it, where the little hooks are up top, and there you go. We're going to plug it in and let it run. Sorry about all the noise. I just fixed this one, so it's in the middle. It's in the last of a spin cycle. Alright, so I'll plug in. Should be ready to rock and roll. It's drying. You can see the drum rollers, belt tensioner pulley wheel, and the other drum roller over there. No noise at all. She runs like a champ. Alright, and then this little toe panel. It's easy to put on. You have slots cut out here, here, for these two. Just like so. And there you go. And you got your screw holes here and here. And then we're done.